Hi, and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Summer, and today we'll be diving into a serious and often overlooked issue, marriage fraud in Texas. While marriage is intended to be a lifelong commitment built on trust, sometimes one partner may enter the marriage with fraudulent intent, such as for financial gain or immigration purposes. In today's video, I'll explain how marriage fraud is viewed under Texas law, the consequences of it, and what steps you can take if you find yourself in such a situation. Marriage fraud can occur when one person intentionally deceives their spouse regarding a critical aspect of the marriage. This could include concealing important facts, misrepresenting their intentions for entering the marriage, or lying about finances, identity, or immigration status. Under Texas law, if fraud is proven, it could lead to the annulment of the marriage or significant consequences in divorce proceedings, especially when financial exploitation is involved. Let's discuss the most common types of marriage fraud in Texas. One of the most notable forms involves immigration. In these cases, one spouse may marry a U.S. citizen for the primary purpose of obtaining legal residency or citizenship in the United States. Once their immigration status is secured, they may abandon the marriage. This type of fraud is considered a federal crime, and it can lead to the deportation for the fraudulent spouse, along with civil penalties and damages for the victimized spouse. Another common type of marriage fraud revolves around financial deception. Imagine a spouse who hides significant debt, lies about their assets, or misleads the other partner into thinking they have a different financial standing. This can have long-lasting consequences, especially in Texas, a community property state, where marital assets and debts are divided in a divorce. Let's take a look at a real-life example of marriage fraud here in Texas. Picture this scenario. Sarah, a successful businesswoman in Houston, meets James, who claims to be a fellow entrepreneur with an impressive portfolio of real estate investments. They date for a few months, and before long, James proposes. He insists on a quick wedding, saying they'll build their life together right away. Soon after the wedding, however, Sarah notices discrepancies in James' story. His business trips don't add up, and financial documents don't match what he told her. She digs deeper and discovers that James has massive debts, no real estate holdings, and has been living off her money since the marriage. Sarah consults a family law attorney and learns that her marriage may have been based on fraud. She files for divorce, and during the proceedings, the courts find that James's entire financial background was a lie, and he married Sarah to exploit her financial resources. As a result, the court awards Sarah a favorable division of assets, including reimbursement for the money James fraudulently obtained from her. If you believe you are a victim of marriage fraud in Texas, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and seek justice. First, you'll need to consult with a family law attorney who understands the nuances of marriage fraud cases. Proving fraud can be challenging, as you'll need to demonstrate that your spouse intentionally deceived you at the time of marriage. The best way to avoid marriage fraud is to protect yourself before entering into a marriage. Always take the time to thoroughly understand your partner's background, particularly when it comes to financial matters. You might also consider drafting a prenuptial agreement to ensure that both parties are transparent about their assets, debts, and intentions. In conclusion, marriage fraud in Texas is a serious legal issue that can lead to significant financial, emotional, and even legal consequences for the victim. Whether the fraud involves financial deception, immigration fraud, or hidden criminal history, Texas courts provide remedies for those who have been wronged. If you believe you've been a victim of marriage fraud, it's essential to consult with a qualified family law attorney to understand your options. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. We'll continue to bring you important information on Texas family law. Until next time, take care and stay informed.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.